Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last July 12, 2023, the newest nail system brand in the Philippines, Colure Nail System, sent me a super big and dainty white box. I did an unboxing for this on my IG, and I think I also posted it on my YouTube shorts. But let's include it na rin for today's video para makita nyo how aesthetically beautiful yung PR box and yung mga products nila. Ang pleasing sa eyes ng white and gold packaging nila, no? And yung brush nila! If you're new to my channel, baka hindi nyo pa ito naririnig. I've been saying it over a million times in my other videos na I'm really loving rounded edge na medyo wide na brush. Thank you so much, Colure Nail System, for sending this white box over. By the way, Colure Nail System products are now officially available on Shopee. Okay, so now let's try their products. I'll be trying out their Jelly Gel color. Okay, so let's try out Tropical Peach first. What I love about gel polishes is that when you apply it, kahit gaano kadaming strokes yung pag-apply mo, para mapantay mo yung gel polish sa nail, it's okay lang kasi hindi siya mag-thicken agad. Pwede mo talaga siyang mapantay ng gusto before may cure siya sa UV or LED lamp. So after applying the first layer, let's cure it for 30 seconds. And this is how one coat looks on my nail. If gusto nyo ng ganito ka-sheer, it's up to you. Pero para makita nyo how Tropical Peach looks with a second coat, let's apply another. Then I'm curing it again for 60 seconds. Super pretty ng light pink peachy shade niya. Now let's move on to the second shade. We are swatching Faded Sunlight. Then I'm curing it for 60 seconds. Then let's apply a second coat na rin. And yes, we're curing it again for 60 seconds. Faded Sunlight is a neutral nudish jelly shade. So now, let's apply Colure Snow White Diamond Top Coat. curing it again for 60 seconds. And here we have the two shades side by side with their no wipe diamond top coat. Super smooth and super shiny. Okay, so now let's move on to the chrome powders naman. By the way, I already prepared a swatch stick with black base with their top coat already. Para we'll have to apply the chrome powders na lang. Baka humaba ang gusto yung video natin for today. Okay, so let's start with lavender. Let's just get a small amount of the powder. Then let's buff it sa swatch stick. Looking good. Very gorgeous yung chrome effect niya. It looks very lavenderish. If medyo kulang pa yung chrome powder nyo, you can always add pa naman. Then, let's brush off the excess. And let's apply their top coat. And you know what's next. Let's cure it for 60 seconds. Super gorgeous ng lavender chrome effect niya. Ha, speechless. So pretty. Can't wait to use this on my nail arts. Then let's try out naman yung rose gold chrome powder nila. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this so much. Parang gusto ko pang itry yung other shades ng chrome powders nila. So here are the two shades of chrome powders nila. And lastly, we have is their solid sculpting gel. Okay, so I haven't tried any solid sculpting gel yet. And I think I'll watch more tutorials about solid sculpting gel first before trying this out. If ever I'll be trying this one, I'll make sure that I'll be doing a video on IG or on YouTube. And by the way, don't forget to check out Colure Nail System on their official social media pages. I'll be leaving the links on the description box below, together with their official online stores. Once again, thank you so much, Colure Nail System, for letting me try out your products. So will you be trying out this new brand? Let me know on the comment section and let me know kung anong product ang gusto nyong i-try out first. Leave your thoughts on the comment section and let's chat there. And I guess that's it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!